Hi, I'm Melissa, and I'm an artist who loves to make cute art, collect cute things, and live in a cute and cozy space. You may have seen me over the past few years in this pastel room where I paint and craft and make silly little videos, but to be honest, I kind of want to change from this, and I want something a little bit more functional. It's been a while since I've changed up this room, so redo my room with me. I don't want to do this today. I just got up a little while ago and I've decided to start this project of redoing my long room. So this room is where I do pretty much everything. This is my sleep space, my work space, my craft space, and my cat space, right? I just don't feel like this serves me anymore. I feel like I do about 90% of everything in my bed, and then all this room is just empty and I don't really use it. I do use it to pack orders and stuff like that and paint, but I don't do that all of the time. The majority of the time I'm over there. So I kind of would like to move things around so that the majority of the space centers around my bed. I've also ordered new shelving and a new desk from IKEA. So my plan is today to move everything out of my room, and then when my new furniture and shelving comes, I can just swap everything out. I have a lot to do. This is a lot. One of the things I'm the most excited about for new shelves is I really want to display all of my Barbies like prettier. So this little collection right here, this is probably like a 10th, not even that. I have so many more Barbies. There's even some packed back here that I can't even see, and I want to see all of them. What happened? Where did everything go? This might be one last look at my little desk space. This is sad. I remember when I did this, I was so excited. I thought it was so pretty, and it is still pretty, but oh my gosh, it's like echoing in here. I'm excited now to redo all this and do something new because I have some new prints and art that I bought when I was in Italy last year that I want to add to all this. I'm low-key kind of like sad about this little area. She was so cute while she lasted, but this isn't working for me anymore. And we're gonna have something more efficient for me. I really hope this is the same paint that I used to paint the walls. I'm not positive. It looks so light. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I moved my bed and it feels so weird. It feels huge in the middle of my room. It's taking up the whole room, but I'm okay with that. It's okay. I'm gonna have a desk right here and like a credenza for like my printer and everything, and I even have a whole wall right there. I'm shocked. Like, I'm really surprised at how big it is. It's really cute. It's so cute. I do not have a queen size bed, but I have to have this. So this is like all of the new bedding that I got. Because since I moved everything around, I felt like I needed to redo my bed, but I got this one. It comes with a comforter and 2 shams, and it's so soft, and I can actually put it in the washer. I got this Laura Ashley blanket that kind of like is the same color family as my wall. And then I got this full bed sheet that's like a light pink. And then this really cute one that's Kath Kitson, and it's like little Valentine's Day hearts. I'm so happy it fits. It's a little big, but hey girl! I just kind of tucked it under and it works. It's so cute. I got a whole slew of IKEA stuff delivered and I'm so excited, but I do not want to put them together. This is my little workspace. This is my little like credenza thing that I built for all of my art supplies. And my desk. I really like this desk a lot. I'm just in awe of how much bigger my bedroom feels. Like even though it's in the middle of the room, it just feels so nice. I also got some new velvet curtains from Amazon. I just really need to like steam iron them. I'm at IKEA today to look for legs for that credenza that I bought and maybe some other organization stuff. I need a rug, maybe. That's a cute workspace. That's really cute. I want that rainbow wall piece. Where is that? Okay, I'm getting way distracted. Oh my god, that's cute. I'm gonna get out some other things that I've been storing in here that I want to put in my shelves. I also just remembered all these really cute Barbies that I bought last year. So all of my furniture is built, finally. I think I'm ready to put all of my stuff in here. I think it's gonna be really cute. And I already love the layout in my room so much. I think I'm gonna really enjoy working in my little workspace. This area I'm very excited to put together. There's two really long drawers right here. I haven't put these all the way on because I want to spray paint them gold. The weather's been kind of bad, so I haven't had a chance to spray paint anything. I have like a lot of stuff to put on these three walls. So, but that'll be later. Right now, I just want to get everything in my desk and in this credenza thing. So my goal today is to take all of my art. So those are just some like art prints that I framed. Here is my art prints in a leaf and some other things. And I'm going to try to make a pretty art wall right here. I'm still not positive what I'm gonna put here. I just bought this at Home Goods the other day. Can you hear him purring? Are you purring? I'm gonna put some of the bigger pieces on this wall and then my prints all right here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna add to this because I really like these two right here. And then I'm gonna put some smaller things on this wall. And I hope it turns out okay. I hope I like it. So I kind of love this, but I'm like trying to decide if it like matches my room and all the rest of the colors. I don't know that I even care. It's just so pretty. So I'm here in almost the same location as I started filming about 2 months ago, and I can officially say that I am done redoing my room. I moved out about half of my furniture, got some new furniture that was more functional, moved my bed, moved my TV, moved all of my collectibles into one corner, moved my art space over here, and it has made such a difference, like a huge difference in my life. I'm not trying to be dramatic, but the biggest thing was moving my bed so that it was against my wall, where I could see out my window every morning. I love it. I love everything about it. Everything that I sought out to do worked, and I'm so happy with it. Like, I'm so freaking happy with it. I love it. I'm gonna go around the space and show you guys what I did. Try not to disturb anyone, and yeah, I hope you guys like it because I love it so much and I'm so happy. So my bed was kind of the first thing I really started on and finished. I got this canopy on Amazon and it just perfectly frames my bed. I really love it. I got some new bedding at TJ Maxx. These pillows I already had and I love them with everything. It's so cute. I moved my sushi stool right here and my cats love to stand on it and watch like out through the door down the hallway. It's so cute. My next project that I did was this collectibles corner, and it is all of my favorite things that I collect and love all in one corner. And it makes me feel so much more organized and like better because I know everything's just right here in this corner and it's not spread out throughout my room. Trying to be better about not getting, everything that's Barbie, everything that's My Little Pony. Only get things that I truly love. The majority of this has been thrifted or is from my childhood. Just wanted to note that, like, I didn't just go out and buy all of this stuff in a few years. This is probably a good 40 years of collecting. And this is my little art corner that used to be where my bed was. And this is my painting corner, my craft corner, my packing orders corner. Everything having to do with art and creating happens in this space. And this also makes my brain happy. I love having it all organized in this one space. This is my little wall of like art that I've collected, and over here I have some more art. Here's some of my prints hanging on this side, and then just some other little cutesy things. I still have some other collectibles like up here throughout my room, but it's more organized now. Here's some of the prints that I have not put up yet. These four I got in Italy, and this one is by Fenway Fan. I got her to sign it at the last art festival, and I have to put it up somewhere. So eventually I'll get these maybe in this spot. This is my view from my little art space, and it's so inspiring. And look at this little guy. Look at him. Miffy, are you finally in the video? So my room is done, and I'm gonna end this video with a life update / update on this room. I'm gonna be moving out of it very soon because I just bought a house and I close tomorrow. I literally close tomorrow, and probably in the next couple months I'll be moving into it because I have to do some cleaning and painting and everything. But yeah, I bought a house and I'm so excited. I want to cry, but I won't cry yet. I won't cry yet. I know it's sad. I just finished this bedroom, but y'all are gonna love my house. Y'all are gonna love my house so much. She is so cute. She's so cute. If you guys like this one bedroom of mine, if you've enjoyed watching me, you know, decorate and paint in here and all of that, you're going to love my house. She is so cute. And I'm so excited to share her with you guys. And I'm so excited to make her my own and just, I'm so excited. I've had a lot of fun though, redoing this bedroom one last time. It looks good and I love it. But yeah, I'll see you next time, hopefully in the next house. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for supporting me. I love you guys so much, and I'm so excited to share this next chapter of my life with you and my new house. So I'll see you very soon. Bye.